you shall pass. You see, he stretched and released the arrow. It is stuck over there, and the goal setting is this. So, Vyavasayatmika buddhirekaha kurunandana. Vyavasayatmika buddhirekaha kurunandana. Bahusakaya hanantasa buddhayo vyavasayana. So, third chapter, 41th sloka from Gita. Vyavasaya, what does it mean? That is karma. Vyavasaya, Atma. Vyavasayatmika, buddhi. Vyavasayatmika buddhi rekaha. You bring at one place. Kurunandana. You bring at one place, then you will be successful. Bahusakaya hanantascha. That means, if you are diverting from one place to another place, going here and there, you are not concentrating yourself, that means you are not successful. Bahusakaya hanantascha buddhayo vyavasayana. That is just the same. You are moving for here and there. Sometimes you want to do this thing, sometimes you want to do that thing, sometimes you want to do that thing. So you are not able to do anything. So, Bahusakaya hanatasa buddhayo vyavasaya. So you see, that is why what we have to do is, we have already set a goal, goal setting is there, and then I am the principal. So there should be in the heart. So we are having a joint venture school opening. Majority of it, and so the heart is aching, it is not. So, sirs, madams, everybody, please say once, I am the principal. Why are you hesitating to say, I am the principal? I am the principal. I am the principal. So if you have the guts, you say that I am the principal. I am the principal. So my decisions should be obeyed by all the people, all the staff, all the members of the school children. So I am the principal. That kind of confidence always you have. If you don't speak, it is not inside. Speak from the heart. I am the principal. So then you are there tomorrow. You will be walking, standing straight, going to the offices, and look at in front of any other people. I am the principal of my school. Yes, there is one very small country. In the center, nearly center of South Africa. It is totally landlocked. Inside of it, there is one country. But the king of that country, king of that country, he feels so proud. Because I am the king of this small country, but I am independent. So that kind of guts should be there. If we don't have the guts, we are unable to do anything. That is what I feel. So our confidence is necessary. So while we are having the personnel management, our staff management, there are a few things are there: appointment, facilities, promotion, performance of their observation, actions, and termination. All these things we should be able to do, because who I am? I am the principal. Yes, I have the guts to do so. So that is necessarily there. And we have to give the duties and responsibilities of in charges. IC means in charge. And then say heads, different heads. Roles, responsibilities, and accountabilities of staff should be clearly written, and they should be given a paper. Because, why they should be given? Because I am the principal. I give them responsibility. That kind of confidence I need to have. So having said this, I go to the academics management. Now, administrative part, I have almost finished. I am coming to academics. So, curriculum. So many a times what I say is, we give the responsibility to the adjudicates to select the book. From different publishers the books come. When the books come, then the teacher will see. Teacher will give it to them. Do they read the book? Do they find there what are the errors? Do they compare the two publishers' books? If the money is given by the publisher, our adjudicacy also will be one bottle of black label fish. They would have to do it. Very simple. We have seen. And what is his ethics? Is he helping the principal? No, he is not helping. Is he helping for the education promotion? No, he is not doing. So therefore, we have to have in different. So now let me go to the next one. Selection of the textbook. I had said to you. Then for each plan, when we say to the teachers, okay, you make the lesson plan. What do? They divide 3 chapters first term, 3 chapters second term, remaining third term. Finish. Lesson plan. What is the plan? That anybody can do that. So once what happened is, one officer was there, because he wrote some draft he made, gave it to the secretary. And then secretary started typing it. And then in some places he could not read it out. Therefore she came to the person. And then she said, "Sir, I cannot understand this. Could you please tell me? Who turkey has written this?"